Welcome back to Underdog Electronics. Today we are going to bring you some of the must-have gadgets of 2024. From sunglasses that keep you connected to the world, to a basketball that will improve your game and give you hours of fun. The future is bright, and we're going to highlight some of our favorites. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have comments, please feel free to share. Let's jump right into our first tech toy. Rayban Meta Sunglasses. Rayban has long been the standard in both sunglasses and style. Now they have taken it one step further and crafted a smart pair of sunglasses with that old school Wayfarer style. These trendy sunglasses allow you to live stream anywhere, capture photos, listen to music, and take phone calls. These sunglasses are AI enhanced to allow the best experience possible. Matte black frames with gradient two-tier lenses from the top down, and integrated polar technology reduces glare for contrast and crisp viewing. Stream on your favorite platform with these iconic glasses. Video your friends or stream a great live show hands-free. Capture pictures with a 12-megapixel camera or listen to your favorite tunes or podcasts on open-ear audio. Take and make phone calls with a dynamic 5-mic system, all powered by a Meta AI system that is voice-controlled. Rayban offers two style options, Wayfarer and Headliner. A charging case is included, and they have a battery life of up to 4 hours and 36 hours of charge time per fully charged case. Pricing on Meta.com is set at $329. Now for you gamers. From Sony, the PlayStation VR2 headset. For the gamers that like to be immersed in the VR world, this is the next generation headgear. Enjoy 4K HDR visuals and 110-degree field of view. PlayStation VR2 Sense, delivering emotional feedback with eye tracking, highly intuitive controls, and 3D audio. 30-plus new games are in the pipeline for this new system. Rumor has it there will be a Resident Evil Village to explore. You will need a PS5 to use this system because unfortunately it will not work with the PS4. Some of the highlighted features include two 2000 by 2040 OLED 4K HDR displays, a 110-degree viewing field with advanced graphical rendering, haptic feedback controllers and headset, and Tempest 3D audio tech. Step into thrilling new realms of virtual reality with the PlayStation VR2 Game Gear. Walmart has the VR2 listed at $550. The Valve Steam Deck Handheld Gaming Console. Steam Deck game systems are tailored to that traditional style gamer that is on the move. Your Steam library in your hands anywhere you go. Valve Steam Deck partnered with AMD to create a fast APU for optimized gaming. Boasting a Zen 2 plus RDNA 2 powerhouse, it will have plenty of performance to run the latest AAA games. The Valve Steam Deck is built with the extended play session in mind. Thumbsticks or trackpads are positioned within easy reach. Designers created this device with comfort and wide-ranging hand sizes in mind. Log into your Steam Deck and find your entire library just like on any other PC. Each game gives a compatibility rating so you will know what kind of experience you can expect during play. Filter your view in the library to customize your experience. There are multiple storage options from 64GB to 512GB. Walmart has the Valve Steam Deck 256GB listed at $539. The SIQ Smart Basketball and App. Level up your competition on the hardwood with the SIQ Smart Basketball. You'll get real-time feedback just like the NBA pros. SIQ says you'll get 15 to 25% better within weeks of using this super smart basketball. Why spend countless amounts of money on coaches or camps when you can get exact feedback from the source? It features a premium leather ball with internal battery that will get 500 hours of tracking and feedback. The app will track over 190 data points from the ball. Track makes, swishes, best locations on the court, dribble, three-pointers, shooting off the pass, and game shooting. Advanced metrics will tell you form, touch, release speed, and consistency. Build confidence and have fun. Play and compete with people from all over the world. The app has fun games to help build skills and just have fun. This basketball is perfect for children and adults who love to play the game, especially for those who want to get a leg up on the competition. Right now, the SIQ shows a price of $149.99 on Amazon. Make M5C 3D Printer. Do you love to create? Would you like to recreate? If you said yes, then a 3D printer is just what the doctor ordered. The Make M5C 3D printer can be easily controlled with multiple devices. It is a high-speed printing, intuitive device for creating. It has auto leveling, smooth detail, and an integrated aluminum base. You can use your phone or laptop to gain control over your projects. There are ready-made models in the library to play with or learn without having to design from scratch. You can be up and running within 15 minutes with this easy setup. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allows you to control the printer and monitor the status of your project from anywhere. The ankermake app is easy for beginners and pros alike. DIY enthusiasts, engineers, designers, and creators alike can make ideas come to life with this 3D printer. Walmart has the ankermake 3D printer listed at $399. The Poo Max Video Tracker. And finally, for all of you content creators, the Poo Max Video Tracker. This tech marvel helps track your videos hands-free with a 360-degree range. This piece of gear allows you to use your phone, tablets, and cameras. No more limitations and no more missed opportunities. Geared toward health fanatics, this piece of gear will help you take your workouts to the next level. Get great audio recordings and track your progress with no choppy feeds. Rechargeable 1400 mAh lithium-ion batteries tracks you for up to 12 hours. The game-changing Poo Max lets you record workouts in multiple formats. Double down on your content with the ability to record with a phone and a camera simultaneously. This feature should help cut editing in half. The Poo remote control will allow you to control options from 100 feet away. You can start, stop, control rotation, zoom in and out, and toggle modes. The Poo Starter Kit is listed at $270 on their website, pivo.ai. And there they are, some of our picks for the newest cutting-edge tech toys of 2024. I hope you enjoyed our picks. Please like and subscribe to Underdog Electronics. Feel free to comment and share, and stay tuned for our next video.